What do you see, Graydon?
A bird.
In our house?
Yes. It's on the blinds.
Cool. Is that our new pet?
No.
No? Why?
Because it'll poop all over the house and get into trouble.
You like that bird, Ashley?
Can I hold it? Yeah, we can hold it.
It looks like a sparrow, you think? What are you gonna do about that? Who put it in our house?
They can get close even if we don't touch it.
It's not that scared. Look at it, it has red on it. It's really pretty. And maybe that's not a sparrow. It has a funny beak. It's not flying away.
That's why it's
Okay, I think we've got to catch it and throw it out the door.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But not with our hands. We got to catch it in something.
Why?
Because I don't really want to catch it with my hands.
Why can't we catch it with our hands?
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll watch you. Climb up on that wood table. Oh, don't scare him. Be real slow and quiet, and then grab him. Stand all the way up. Stand up. Slow. Quiet. 2 hands. Grab him! I can't believe you caught him! Wow, Graydon! Let's see that little guy.
Yeah. Can I?
No, we got thrown out the door and set him free, right, Graydon?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go over to the front door. Pet his head, touch his finger, touch your finger on his head.
Really soft.
Did you hear him squeak squeak, Ashley? Hold him, Graydon, hold him! Oh! Don't let him go yet. Out the door.
Okay.
Oh, he's got sharp beaks. Watch out. He'll peck you and bite you. Okay, they're ready. 2 hands. Throw him out. Ready? Set him free! There you go.
A feather from him.
Wow. Yep, that was cool. Okay, you better go wash your hands. Bye-bye, little birdie. That was fun, huh?